This is an XLR Nitro. It's slick looking.
Absolutely. Full body paint, black with the red accents. Looks nice.
Yeah, very cool. So what do we got here?
Starting off here, we'll have,
oh, they locked it on you.
It's locked on us.
Okay.
So this will be full pack or pass-through storage. Lots of room up in there. As you can see, awnings extending all the way across the entire length of the fifth wheel.
Crazy. 2 of them to make sure they actually get all the way across.
Yes, and I mean, this is over 40 feet, so you've got plenty of space to chill, relax, do what you want to do.
Triple axle?
Triple axle, yes. This is actually one of their newest floor plans. It's the 427.
Okay. And you can see again the party deck at the back. We'll get to. I like those big windows.
Yes, it helps open it up, and actually even on the inside, it'll make it feel bigger as well.
Oh, I can imagine.
And as you can see right here, you do have an outside TV hookup with your hookups right here, as far as all that goes.
Cool. All right, let's get inside.
Awesome.
Again, obviously we showed you the party deck in the back, so you know this is, well, it's an XLR, so you know it's a toy hauler.
Yeah. That's all they make is toy hauler.
Oh, this is big and open and cool. I dig whatever that is up there.
Just the little
it's kind of a little separation decoration.
Yep.
Separation decoration. Boom. I just came up with something new. Okay, so let's talk about what's going on here.
Yep, so Nitro, they wanted to have something big, obviously, to hold all your toys, but less weight. They took out the slides. The only slide that's in this thing is actually up in the bedroom.
Okay.
And that's going to be the closet that slides out. Yep. Aside from that, there's no slides in this. You don't have to worry about any kind of slides having issues or anything like that, and you still have lots of room, as you can see.
Sweet.
Up there at the very top, there is a camera, so you can see back into here as well.
Oh,
that little
cool.
white thing right above the TV. Yep. So you'll be able to see back in here if need be, if you have toys or whatever that's back in here.
Speaking of TVs, you got 1, 2, 3. 3 of them right here in this area. How cool is that? You got basketball, football season, whatever going on.
Different teams, just one. Yep. And you have TV hookup in the bedroom as well. So, I mean, there's all kinds of possibilities.
Awesome. So this is going to be power.
Yes, this will run off of a switch. It'll come down. Same as the other XLR that we were talking about or walking through a little bit ago. These will drop down. This can turn into a table, and obviously that bed just lowers down as well. And
back here, there's, I'm assuming those steps are to get up onto your party deck.
Yes, so the steps will actually attach to the deck here when it's in this mode. It'll latch right over here where these 2 little clippy clips are down here. Okay. But those would be steps that you can come up onto this, not have to worry about going in through there.
I like this. I know some of them you can add this, but this, it has it on there.
Yep.
It goes a little farther. It's locked up for something. I don't know. That's awesome, though.
But yeah, that'll come all the way across. Don't have to worry about letting the rain and stuff in when you're out here. This does also have an awning that extends over the back.
Okay, great.
So you have even more shade. So 3 awnings on this, guys.
Yeah, this is it's amazing. So let's get up here into the living area. We passed through it pretty quick. First of all, the colors are unreal. The white, the gray textured, the black, the brown. It all looks good together. I mean, it's just sharp looking.
It is, very.
Yeah.
You have your full microwave here at the top, just like you would at home. Not quite as tall, but I mean, you can definitely fit a big plate in there as well.
Yeah, you get lots of food in there.
Again, the 3-burner top, your oven, and then more storage down here. Accent lights down there, make everything look better.
All the storage. You got a pantry up here. Oh yeah, and light comes on.
Oh, heck yeah.
Cool. Yeah. Look at that, Tim.
Have a light that automatically, have the switch right here.
There's a switch.
And then your fireplace down below.
Right below the TV we mentioned earlier.
Yep.
Yeah. Tie-ins can clear back to here, so you can get a
this
lot
entire thing is storage.
Right.
Yep.
So these chairs obviously are movable.
Oh yeah,
those chairs.
they easily move.
Get those.
They're super light.
They're tied down. You you move those to get your toys in here.
Exactly.
All right, let's head up to the master bedroom. Carrying on the color scheme up here.
Yes.
You got the textured gray, the
whites and the light browns.
Yeah,
all really well together.
Yeah, it's awesome looking.
You got a nice big window in the front, let in some light. It is tinted on the outside, so don't worry. You're all good. And of course, you have that black shade to cover everything when you want it to.
Love it. Again, you get two ways. Well, I guess we can talk about this. Here's the slide you talked about.
Yep, here's the one and only slide.
The wardrobe.
Nice big deep drawers right here. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you want those to be a little tight so they're not flinging open as you're driving down the road.
Exactly. Uh-oh. Did I pop it out? No.
Oh, there you go.
Alrighty. Alright, coming into the shower and bathroom area. Again, they made the flow with the grays, the whites, the browns. A nice big shower here. You got your full-on medicine cabinet, accent lights, and a little night light right there.
Oh, yeah, it's great.
Don't have to worry about
Down
it.
at the bottom.
Yep.
We have a caller asking for David to stand in there for us to
See, these guys are so much fun. Tim said both of us are going to stand in the shower. There you go.
There's plenty of room.
If you need more than one of you, that you're trying to save time, you need one of you in the shower. I just would be careful depending on who you're in the shower with.
Yep.
Try not to bump up against each other. That could ruin your day. Again, depending on who you're in the shower with. So there you go. A very nice. I'm going to say maybe the slickest toy hauler I've seen with the colors. I really dig these colors. And the colors are, when I think toy hauler, it may sound sexist, but I think like a manly.
Yeah, the dirt bikes, the four-wheelers going out, hanging.
Not that just men
fun.
drive those, and the colors I think are manly, like with the grays and the browns and black. I just love this thing. So if you love it as much as I do and you need an XLR, you got to call us. Just call us and talk to us, and we can get you into one of these.